Thank you. So these are the IoT enablers, RFID, nanotechnologies, okay, sensors, smart networks. What do you mean about the smart networks, sir?
Auto configurable networks.
Pardon, sir, I'm not getting.
Networks which are able to configure and sense things automatically.
SON based network, self-organizing network, sir. Okay, smart here
Yes,
means
sir.
self-organizing since very beginning. I have taken the in very beginning slide, first slide. I have taken this SON and SDN combination that emerges towards the AI or the cobot based network basically. So smart means it is a connected network and SON based network. So these type of key enablers, these are the key enabler technologies you will find inside the IoT ecosystem. Okay, now this is the second last portion of our discussion. Okay, in the IoT part, IoT applications. Okay, can anybody summarize so far what we have learned in the total series of these lectures? We have started from the web versions. Okay, and Neha, can you repeat the things what we have taken so far?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Not going much detail, only the major portions, major headlines only.
okay. Okay, so sir, we have started with the different versions of web, and sir, currently we are migrating from web 2.5 to web 3, and then here there is an introduction of IoT. Then we have learned the architecture of IoT, and how IoT is going to contribute in sustainable development goals, and it's 169 points. And then we have learned everything around IoT, including the different types of architecture, uh, the different types of IoT elements, and the different types of IoT devices, and what are the different steps, or what are the different elements of IoT, and then we have how we are going to collect the data, and
Yes.
then how we are going to manage the data.
Yes.
Uh,
So
and
let me finish this one very quickly. Okay, so many things we have learned so far, and around 80% of things we have learned about the IoT ecosystem. We have started from the various web versions and what are the basic what is the difference between the cyber world and the physical world, what basically it deals with the virtualization, what basically a difference between the IoT and IoT ecosystem. We have started with the ITU based ARM architectural reference model, and after that we have implementation part also we have seen in the form of various variants, HPLC, LPLC, and so many things we have seen. After that we have seen the SDN based network. After that we have seen the big data also, and so many things we have learned inside the big data, inside the IoT ecosystem. And from now, okay, we are entering in the final stage of this discussion, that is the IoT applications. IoT applications. So what do you imagine? What amount of applications will be there? Can you categorize the application in the IoT?
Say one question is there. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. One question is there. Sir, it is
Question
a
is
small
like
query
that. Can
from.
you? Is there any fixed frame? Okay, we can say this amount of applications can be configured or can be find inside the IoT. Answer
there is
Sir,
answer
I
will
think
be
IoT are infinite applications, sir.
yeah, definitely, exactly, sir. I am expecting
Limitless, sir.
limitless, or the simple answer is the infinite application. Enormous applications you will find, because we have seen the network, we have seen the power of data inside the IoT ecosystem, and it's all about the data. We have seen the possibility of artificial intelligence, we have seen the magic of analytics, we have seen the business intelligence. Each and every technology we have seen in the IoT system. So your application will be much powerful. Okay, whenever some question will be there, what will be the limitation of application? There will be no limit. There will be a no limit. Only it will depend upon your imagination and creativity.
Imagination.
Okay, it will depend upon your imagination and creativity. So each and everything will be provided from the IoT ecosystem platform. Is that clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the things, sir. These are the values inside the IoT ecosystem. These are the types of opportunities. It can be in the vehicles also. Okay, this amount of financial power is there. $200 billion to $740 billion. Don't go inside this one figures basically. So earlier target was a 3.9 trillion to 11.1 trillion as per the targeted up to 2025. I have taken this from the McKinsey. Okay, I have taken this from the McKinsey report. So, but totally these figures are going to be confused due to this COVID-19 pandemic. These figures will be changed, but this amount of power is there. This amount of power is there inside the IoT platform. So developing countries 40% and developed means 60%. These are the contribution of this one. So each and every sector will be affected by this one. Home, offices, or factories, retail environments, okay, work sites, human health and fitness outside, logistics, navigation, cities, each and everything will be connected, sir. Each and everything will be connected. Is that clear, sir? So in IoT, each and everything will be connected in the form, whether it is energized or non-energized. And what is the latest dimension in the IoT? Sir, what is the latest dimension in the IoT?
So DAS.
No. DAS is basically a cloud platform. Okay, forget about the DAS. Just come out from the DAS world. DAS is just related to the cloud. Okay, the latest opportunity or the latest possibility in the IoT is in combination with the blockchain. IoT in combination with the blockchain. Okay, if time permits,
Blockchain, sir.
I will take
How
a
will
blockchain course.
IoT be? Sir, IoT associated. How will it be associated in blockchain?
Sir, this is the big topic basically, and if time permits, I will take this practically. In the blockchain with
Okay, sir.
practical demonstration. Okay, in that case, you
Okay,
can
sir.
sell your car. Okay, you can sell your car
Yes, sir.
to anywhere and to anyone in the world, and your car will be a smart car. Automatically the car valuation can be there. Automatically car valuation can be there. It can be validated. Okay, whether this amount of validate, so suppose you predicted the 1 lakh rupees for your car, so whether this amount is validated or genuine or not, so this by some centralized authority like that. So many things you will find inside that. So I will take this in the blockchain. So this type of things you will, this the new dimension inside the IoT is combination of IoT plus blockchain. IoT plus blockchain, this is the new possibility. And for your knowledge point of view, I will share some videos. I will share some videos that combines the IoT plus blockchain. Okay, Walton chain, one Chinese company is there, that is the Walton. Okay, in the field of agriculture and the retail. So they basically uses the combination of IoT and this blockchain. So
Sir,
these are
sir,
the setting less. Huh.
uh, sir, in that diagram, in the previous one, where it was written that 40% for the developing countries and 60% for the developed countries. So this so basically this percentage is the penetration of IoT in the countries.
Yeah, basically targeted.
Okay.
Okay, basically targeted. But don't go inside the basically this one in the figures. Okay, due to this situation, today's panic situation, all the figures going to be changed.
Sir, even
Are you
definition of developing and developed countries are going to change now.
so developing and some framework is there, na sir, for developing countries and developed countries like European countries and this one US and all these things. Okay, so some
Yes, sir.
framework is there, sir. some framework is there for
Yes, sir.
60 and 40 categorization is there. Okay, how much amount of contribution will be there from the developing side and developed side. So, sir, these are the setting lens that can capture the all sorts of this where the data creates the value. It can be human, home, retail environment, offices, factories, okay, work sites, vehicle sites, outside. Okay, forget. So I will share this one. Okay, don't go in much detail. So these are the IoT ecosystems or IoT applications frequently asked or the that needs to catch the eyes towards this one, attracts the your attention basically. First one is the smart home, another one is the wearable. Okay, smart home, I have shown one video to all of you in the very beginning, that is the connected world. And wearables, can anybody give the example of wearable?
Sir,
Apple Watch.
Fitbit, smartwatches.
Fitbit. Apple Watches.
Ha, this one and some Google's smart Google also. Okay, smart Google also.
Smart goggle.
Okay, smart
Yes, sir.
Googles also. And smart city, industry automation, smart energy, that is the smart grid also that comes into the this one. Okay, and important part regarding the energy side, we cannot ignore the contribution of energy inside the IoT, because without energy everything will be failure and everything will be in the dark. So regarding the energy point of view, important thing is the solar. Okay, solar power. One thing is there, energy harvesting. So energy harvesting basically deals with the solar panel, and it is it plays a very crucial role whenever outside plant comes into the existence, especially in the field of manufacturing or the agriculture. And finally the connected car. Okay, connected car, any have you heard the Tesla car?
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Tesla
sir.
car,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
self-driving basically.
Even Google has also built one driverless car.
Yes, sir. It is a we are, very soon we are going to enter in the this one self-driving car era. Okay, self-driving car era. So it is all about the connected car and it is all about the IoT car. Okay, IoT car. Your MG Hector is also a this one IoT car, but it is not a self-driving car. Okay, or it is not a driverless car. Okay, but some amount of data it can generate and it can say it is able to send towards the cloud through the internet. It can V2V, V2X or V2I. What do you mean by V2V?
Vehicle to vehicle.
V2X?
A vehicle to platform, something like that.
No, sir, vehicle to everything.
Vehicle to anything,
Wherever you have,
anything,
you
anything.
find, sir,
Okay,
wherever you
okay,
find
Vehicle to
X,
anything.
that means it is
Vehicle to
everything.
anything,
Okay, V2X means
Okay.
vehicle to everything.
Okay.
And what is V2I?
Intelligence, communication, I think
Master.
the cloud.
Vehicle to master.
Individual.
Vehicle to
V2I means vehicle to infrastructure.
infrastructure. Okay.
Okay, that means vehicle to road. Okay, vehicle to road communication can
Okay.
be there, no, sir?
Has to be there. Then only automatic car, driverless car will be there.
Ha, definitely some pit hole is there or whatever it may be, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
vehicle to roundabouts, vehicle to poles.
Yeah, and simply say vehicle to everything means each and every node or whatever things will be there. Each and everything will be there. Some if a driverless car is there, okay, some platooning type of arrangement you can also make. Okay, that means a car automatically make its own group, autonomous group of 15 or 16 cars, and regularly update the things. Okay, regularly update the things in between that. And whenever it goes beyond the periphery, automatically it will minus from the its platooning part, from the platooning. So these type of things you will find inside this one. V2X, vehicle to vehicle, that way communication can be there. So important thing is that I will focus inside the IoT application is the smart city. Okay, it is a need of an hour to understand what basically a smart city is. Can anybody tell what basically a smart city is?
Sir, much of smart cities can be included in smart automation in every field. Say, on a single call, police will be available. On for surveillance, cameras will be available. For lighting, every street will be lit automatically. on on the dawn, on the dusk, and it will be switched off at the dawn, and things will be controlled automatically. Most of the things will be controlled automatically.
Okay, Anurag ji, are you there, sir? Anurag sir. Anurag sir. Okay, Neha, can you tell
Yes,
me
sir.
about
Yes.
this?
Yes.
Yeah, Anurag ji, are you
Yes,
there?
sir.
Are you getting my voice?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Getting.
A little bit about the smart city. Your view, I want to know.
Sir, it will be having intelligent traffic management system and all the facilities which my earlier participant has given. These facilities will also be interconnecting and they will be influencing each other.
Okay.
Suppose traffic management and all the devices which will be on the cloud, connected with the cloud. Suppose
Okay.
this traffic management system will also be linked water distribution, waste management, all these facilities which you have mentioned, that
Yes.
will be connected, interconnected, and influencing each other, sir. This will be
Yes,
the
sir.
main.
Sir, excellently, you have replied very well, sir, and you have taken the much in the technology. Okay, you have given the best example of this one by means of connected and intelligence. But as a layman point of view, one thing is there, because it is a word that is just like a hot cake in today's scenario. Okay, everybody is
Yes, sir.
interested whenever you say Kanpur or Ghaziabad is a smart city. Everybody as a
Yes,
layman,
sir.
because you and me are the well-known person about the technology. You know the big data, you know the intelligence, you know the AI, little bit amount of this one. But as a layman point of view, you cannot expect anyone.
So things will be automated. Much lesser human intervention will be required
Sir,
for
definitely,
operation of these things. This
definitely,
is the
Sir,
sir.
main
it will
challenge.
use, sir, using ICT.
Ha. Basically, sir, one thing is
Yes,
that
sir.
I want to make it clear. Okay, if as a layman somebody asks you okay, what basically a smart city is, okay,
Sir,
so
the
Okay, sir.
quality of life will be different.
definitely,
A
exactly,
better
sir.
quality of life.
Quality of life will be there, and definitely it will be increased. And since beginning, I am repeating the things. We humans want to make our life better, better, and better always, and technologies demands what next. Okay, these are the basic funda of any revolution or evolution. Okay, just
Yes, sir.
remember these
Automation
two
in
lines.
most of the fields, sir.
है ना हाँ that is the basic
Yes.
funda about that. But one thing is
Okay.
there, a lot of time a
Yes, sir.
huge confusion arises, sir. That's why I have taken this case study smart city. I will take this I will continue the smart city tomorrow also. Okay, and
Yes,
that's why I have taken this one. It is a separate course that we conduct in the ALTTC. Okay, what smart city for 2 days or 3 days course we conduct for the smart city. But I have taken this in the IoT part because I want to disperse the idea of smart city to all of you, because it is a need of an hour and it is much more crucial. So what basically a smart city is, sir? Smart, whenever some layman will ask you okay, what you will find in the smart city, every smart basically is a word that is related to the appearance. Okay, that if you some layman, if you elaborate the things to the any layman, so what he or she expects, okay, some smartness will be there, like smart garden will be there, beautiful gardens will be there, beautiful roads will be there, okay, beautiful parks will be there, beautiful buildings will be there, cleanliness will be there. Okay, these type of things will be there inside the smart city. But in terms of ICT, sir, in terms of ICT, the thing is like that. What basically smart means, smart simply replace it with the connected. Okay, simply in terms of ICT, what do you mean about the smart? Smart means connected city. Okay, connected city. Now now I am taking one example, sir. I am taking one example. In any city, what you have, in any city what you have the schools. Okay, for understanding of smart city architecture, it is very simple, sir. Okay, very simple. Okay, in very simple terms I will explain. You draw 10 or 20 circles. Okay, on a blank paper, you take one blank paper. Okay, A4 size paper, on which you draw 10 or 20 circles. Okay, because whiteboard is not there, otherwise I will draw. Okay, so 10 or 20 circles you draw and connect it with each other, connect with each other, and just fill it with the, in any city what you have, sir, in any city what you have the transportation. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you have the transportation. Another side what
Yes, sir.
you have the hospital, you have the schools also,
Okay, sir.
you have the police station also. you have you have just illogically you put these things inside your circles. Okay, you have the schools also, you have the sewer also, you have the roads also, you have the traffic lights also. Okay, so you have the parks also, and you have the school building also, you have the you have so many things, various options are there in any city, infinite of things you will find. Okay, you draw the 10 or 20 circles, and whatever comes in your memory, okay, you expect in any city, you simply put these words in this one, in a circle, and simply draw a connected lines in each and every this one. This is the architecture of smart city. This is the architecture of smart city. Now, so it is a magic of connectivity. Now, suppose I'm taking the case study of this one. Suppose a school van is there. Okay, you have connected blindly. You have connected each and everything. Okay, blindly you have connected each and everything. Now here magic comes in the form of connectivity. Suppose some school van is there, and unfortunately, Bhagwan na kare kabhi aisa ho, it meets an accident over the road, sir. Okay, over the road. So to whom first it's this driver, or this ambulance, this school bus should report, sir? Hospital or police?
So hospital.
Hospital.
Hospital, na sir? So because it
Yes.
is a smart transport, smart bus, it is connected with the your nearby traffic light, even road also, and your hospital is also connected on the same platform, and your police station is also connected to the platform. To whom it will connect? It will connect to the nearby hospital. Okay, hospital, through the multimedia sensors or the camera, your hospital is able to connect with the bus, and through these images it can imagine how much casualty is there. Okay, some head injuries are there or other things are there. So before dispatching the ambulance, is also connected on the same platform. So before dispatching this ambulance, your equipments, proper equipments will be equipped in the this one ambulance, and for the first aid point of view, and is very soon it will reach. And what is the role of traffic light in this example? The traffic light, the example of traffic light means it will ensure the earliest response or earlier coming of this ambulance to the accident point. Okay, this is the this one, and it is connected to the police station also. So police station will, what police station will do? Traffic police or police station will divert the traffic so that there should not be any traffic jam. And you can imagine, we have started with the Anurag, as Anurag ji told very beautifully, your quality of life will be improved, your quality of life will be improved. So definitely this quality of life will be improved, so your life expectancy rate will be more in that case. Is that clear, sir? Have you got my example or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very well, sir.
Have you got the idea about this smart city? Because a lot of confusion arises, sir, believe me. In
Yes.
2 days or 3 days course, you have not got the idea about the what basically is you will find inside the smart city. It is a magic of connectivity. It is a magic of connectivity. Life expectancy, quality of life will be more. And another example is your sewer. Okay, sewer is connected to each and every part. Sewer is connected to police station also, your municipality office also, and your user also, and your transportation also. So you can imagine the things before going to be overflow, it will set the alarm, or it will send the messages to the municipality office, and according to that they can take the prior action. They can take the prior action to this one, or primordial remedy of this one. Otherwise, if overflow is also there, it is connected to the police station also, so they will divert the traffic, or they can make the arrangement also. In the disaster also, in the disaster case also, each and everything is connected. So whenever you want to provide the relief work in case of disaster through the UAV, what is UAV? What is UAV?
Unmanned aerial vehicle.
Unmanned aerial vehicle.
Unmanned aerial vehicle, or your drone. Okay, simply UAV replaced by the drone.
Drones
है
only.
ना? Simply drone. Whenever
Drones.
you want to this one, you want to deploy the drone in case of disaster. Okay, you want to dispatch your food packets to the needy area, remote areas, but you don't know okay, who is the needy one. Who is the needy one? Anurag, it is very challenging task. Okay, who don't have the food, or who require the urgently food, or what is the priority? What is priority? How to decide the priority level in case of disaster? It is a very challenging task, sir. It is very challenging
Yes,
task.
sir.
So, but
Yes,
in
sir.
case
Yes,
of
sir.
smart city or connected means your things are able to speak. Okay, people. Okay, so things can be
Yes, sir.
there. UAV by connected means your UAV will automatically sense in which area priority should be there, and this food or some relief items, whatever it may be, should be supplied on that area. This is the main target. This is the main thing about that. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
much about the
Yes.
smart city. So any doubts so far in my this discussion so far? Have you got this thing, or shall I repeat this one?
Sir, you continue, sir.
Continue, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay,
Yes.
Neha, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am
Clear.
reconnecting. Okay, only 2 minutes are there. I am reconnecting. After that, I will continue.
Sir.
Thanks.